Today we're taking the Corgis to explore the Beijing defense system that once protected emperors. For 600 years, this moat was used to defend and to transport food. But its modern role going forwards, or maybe backwards. Beijing's ancient moats now act as the city's gym and social club. As two Corgis that live in Beijing, Dolly and Philip have also been inspired by the aunts and uncles. And today, we're joining in the fun at the Uncle Swim Club. I really thought I was being so gentle, but the other camera makes it look like I basically threw them in. And only 10 seconds later, yikes. When you have two furry children, you never rest. The Corgis' swimming spirits are admired by the uncles on the banks. And the old watchtowers provide a view you can only find in Beijing. So, if you plan to visit Beijing in the summer, you can immerse yourself in the history and culture simply by taking a swim. And after 2 hours of swimming, it looks like we don't need another dog walk today. Yay!